attacks. So I would say,
yeah, I wanted to ask you about the AI landscape, because everything is changing, and specifically, you mentioned a lot of challenge, a lot of solutions. Can you dive a little bit deeper into how Potech is now leveraging this AI and machine learning? Because we know cyber criminals are using AI also, so it's a very head-to-head, or maybe sometimes they have some advantages with the age of AI, age of data. We're seeing today how not just cybercrime, but we're seeing how cybersecurity is being used in wars. We're seeing cybercrime is used. Things. I think the perspective within the last year, especially after COVID, but more specifically in the last year, things has really changed. How are you really leveraging those new technologies in terms? Because data, you mentioned, the perimeter is no longer the same. You have to secure everything. Now we're more connected as ever. How are you creating those new ways or cybersecurity solutions?
Yeah, just to explain it a little bit, Rudy, to the people watching us. In the cyberspace, criminals have access to same weapons, what we call weapons, technological weapons, as defenders. So definitely, and these people are normally organized. They have a really good structure. They are very skilled people. They normally, in the dark web, you have even services that can be bought. You can recruit hackers to be part of groups, etc. So these people have access to the same technologies. They have access to the same weaponry that the defenders normally use to protect their information system. And as you said, the information system today is part on-premise, part in the house, part on the cloud. You have multiple vendors. You are using a lot of applications. The perimeter is not the same, and it is more difficult with time to protect it. So you need to protect it in a preventive way. You need to look a little bit at the cyber threat intelligence part, look at the cyberspace if you are targeted, etc. So it's becoming a little bit complex. And in cybersecurity, we have a lot of data coming in, and we need to analyze this data. So today, machine learning has been used by hackers. We have what we call AI-aided attacks, and even what we call AI-embedded attacks. So by using AI, hackers are being able to attack more efficiently, to learn new vulnerabilities in a very fast way, to have very intelligent bots working and scanning and trying to find vulnerabilities everywhere. So they are leveraging on the power of machine learning and the power of whatever AI-based technology we have today. And even we can find some cases where the intelligence is embedded within, for example, a malware, and this malware will transform once he reaches a specific target. So it's becoming more and more difficult to detect these attacks. So from the other side, as defenders, we are as well using and leveraging on the power of AI to be able to analyze the maximum number of data that we receive. Because at the end of the day, we need to do classifications. We need to understand what is normal and then try to see what is not normal, or try to prevent abnormal behavior from propagating within our network. We need to analyze a lot of data coming from internet protocol packets, from logs, etc. So definitely any technology vendor today or any technology company is using machine learning in order to have a better possibilities in terms of detection, of threat detection, threat hunting, threat intelligence, you name it. So in Potech, as I told you, we have a academic research lab, and we have really a great team working in this lab, either dedicated for the research work or eventually people that are in different business units and cooperating with these people on the research. And we have already published, in cooperation with several universities, published multiple conferences, papers, and even international journal papers. And this team is working really heavily today to leverage on whatever machine learning can help us in terms of classification, of prediction, of decision aid for the security analyst that normally we find in Security Operations Center, for example. So we have a lot of projects regarding that. And as well, from the other side, we are trying as well to use the power of generative AI to help as well, once again, these analysts or the security specialist or professional in order to understand more whatever alerts they are receiving or whatever info is being detected by the different security components that they have in the network. So if we look at our technologies, maybe we can discuss it a little bit later. We have in our CTI, DRP, and attack surface management platform called DARKIVORE, we have a lot of use of machine learning. And now more and more we have an intelligent bot that can help as well our customers to understand more what the platform is giving them as information. We have a SIM solution called TCVOR with SOAR capabilities. And as well, once again, we are using machine learning in order to classify, to predict, to detect more efficiently, and as well to automate the response. But because it's very important as well, because you know we have lack of resources everywhere in the world. So when providing technologies for our customers, we need these technologies to be able to help the security professionals in order to be more efficient. So we are as well developing automated response in order to mitigate some risk in case we detect something abnormal on the network. And this automated response is very important to be the most efficient possible. And today we can see that a lot of network and systems are going towards software-defined. And software-defined is helping us more and more today to have a very good, if you want, orchestrated automated response in order to help the administrators of a network to mitigate whatever risk that is detected. So definitely we are working on multiple axes and using machine learning and whatever advancement in technology happening to leverage on that and provide the best solution to our customers.